Hey guys, what is up? It is K-Star, and today we are back with another Pixel Gun video, and we are doing another box opening. I haven't shown you recently what I've been doing. I'm sorry. But at the moment, I'm on the Ruby League. I'm so close to the Adamant League. I'm level 14. Here are my weapons. I still have the crystal laser gun. Still have dual laser blaster. I upgraded my fire demon. I got the high voltage. It's an amazing weapon. I'm definitely going to upgrade it to the fullest by the time I'm level 22. My anti-hero rifle. I bought this morning, but it's really hard to aim with, so I'm using that for now. And finally, what's new is the Ghost Lantern, which is one of my favourite guns what I have, and it's probably one of my best. So let's get into this pack opening. I'm really excited to do these pack openings for you guys. I know all the people who I know in real life who watch my videos love watching my Pixel Gun videos. I thank you all. It means a lot to me because I really love YouTube. I love making videos for you guys especially. So let's get into this pack opening. There goes the clock. And OMG. Yeah. Rapid fire rifle. That is a really good weapon. That is so good. What a good pull. I know that weird when I say it, I just feel really cringy. But yeah, what a good pull. Because it was though. That is just amazing. Oh. I just dropped my phone. Sorry if you heard anything. Okay, some more coins. And I'm here with Biscuit as well. Say hi, Biscuit. Okay, he doesn't want to say hi. But I'm here with Biscuit as well as myself. Biscuit's laying on the bed. I'm next to him. Hey, Bicky. And now he's licking my finger. So today I'm just aiming for the Spark Shark. Just turn the music down a bit. I'm aiming for the Spark Shark today. Hopefully, I'll be good enough. I hope you enjoyed my music box opening vid. I really like doing that. I found it really cool. And please tell me if you would like to hear music in the background of my videos, because I'll be pleased to put that in for you guys. I'll find it really cool. I just have my phone next to me with music on, or an iPad or something, which will be really cool. And hopefully today I'll be lucky, get a weapon. That is what I need. That is definitely what I need, and I'm getting it today. Well, hopefully I'll keep on going till I get it. I got all the coin gems, man. It's 1 in 2 billion% chance of getting the Spark Shark. That's why I want to get it. So many people have it though. It's just common now. It's actually a mythical, which is really cool. But yeah. Okay, yes! Yes, ninja shurikens. Yes, big balls. Yes, the ninja shurikens. They are so good. They're the best gadget or whatever it is. Throwing. They are so good. They could kill people one shot dead. They're so good for long aiming. And it keeps on going. It doesn't despawn or anything. Yeah. But that isn't what I'm aiming for, even though I'm super excited. I'm aiming for the Sparko Sharkan. So let's go after him and win him. Hopefully we'll be able to pull off a good pull today. A good pull him out of the bag of the chest. Getting a free spin. Someone just said I could open it for free, so let's do it. Okay, 3, not the best. I reckon 3. Yeah. No, 5, Harpu. Right, so I was gonna plan on making a real life video today, which I will. By that I mean like showing my face. That's what I'm gonna do. And if you guys comment on my videos, I will do a Q&A. That's what so many people have been asking. Well, all my friends who I know. Do a Q&A. Okay, do a Q&A. Do a Q&A, dude. So I need comments, guys. I need comments. Need you guys to comment so that can actually happen if you want it. So yeah, only like 2 people comment on my video. It was 2. Yeston Morgan, who I know, well, I was with him today, and Dill Plus. Okay, Biscuit's gone mad. I was kicking him. Would I just get 5 then? Yeah. I want to get like 50 coins or something. All I got is 5. Well, I don't want 5 or 3, I want 50. Because I just got 5, which led me to 300. Because I was at like 298 or something. Ooh. What's this? Medical station. Oh, okay. That's cool. Cool. Some of you guys don't like me doing long videos and some of you guys do. So I'm not really sure what to do with that. But I think I like doing long videos because you guys, you get to experience the fun. Okay, Biscuit's gone. Bye, Biscuit. Okay, Biscuit left. I'm gonna have a look if Milky is on top of my mum's wardrobe. That's where he always is, so let's look. Yep, I could already see his cute little ears. Hello, Milky. What are you doing? Have a cuddle. Come down there, dude. Come down. I can't reach him, he's too far. Oh, you scared of Biscuit? Is he the house bully? Yeah, I think he is. Yeah, Milky's really scared of Biscuit, that's why. Milky's probably hiding up there. I reckon that's the reason. So, yeah. Poo. I want to get something good. If we don't get anything good today, then that is just poo. But we got one of the most best things, the Ninja Shurekens, which are so helpful. When it's long range, it can go straight through the body. Bam, dead, one-shot wonder. Oh, 50 coins! Yes! First 50 coins of the map. No, not map. Game. Okay. And recently my friends, Joe, if you haven't seen him in a video yet, I will put him in. Ooh! Voodoo Snowman. Okay, I didn't really get to read that, but yeah. And Yeston Morgan and Evan Curtis. Evan. You know Evan. Yeston. Okay, I haven't shown them any video yet. But I promise I will soon. Because they are such awesome. Oh. Oh, I dropped my phone then. I thought it broke. Okay, some coins. How many? Oh, 5. Come on, I need a big pull. We're getting to 200 gems. When we get there, then we're gonna finish that off. And yeah. I know this is probably gonna be like 28-minute video, but I hope you guys enjoy these. Because I do, so if you don't, screw yourself. Okay, more gems. I want a weapon. Have I had a weapon? No, I haven't. No, wait. I remember I did. What did I get? Oh, yeah, and what was it? I forgot the name. I want to actually have a look because that's really bugging me. Yeah, here we are. Rapid fire rifle. What am I regularly? Wow. It's actually really good. I was expecting it to be bad, but still good. Let's see if Yeston has said anything. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm doing a video. Say hi and smile, Yeston. On YouTube. Okay. Well, Yeston will probably reply soon. We'll check that in a few more minutes. But it doesn't really matter about him at the moment. I'm sorry, Yeston, but it doesn't. No offense. But it depends on these 3 Wisely spins. I don't know why I call them Wisely. It's just because I usually get good stuff. Like, I think the fully upgraded jetpack. That is awesome. And the second Wisely spin goes to Cupid Wings. Cupid, stupid. Okay. Pooh missed it. Now we must complete the goal for this video. If we don't, then we'll have to do the second goal. Well, I'm just going to name the video, well, like, fine, awesome, ninja shurikens, yeah, or something like that. But if I get the spark shark, I'm going to go like, finally the spark shark, and like caps. Because it's the spark shark. Who wouldn't want to know that I haven't got the spark shark? Yeah. Okay, I'm overreacting. Big head potion. Oh, I don't care about sandbox. It's dumb. No. Right, I'm just going to be quiet for a bit. You guys can just watch. If you want me to talk through the videos and ask me if you want me to be quiet, then I'll do so. The triple twos equals triple gun luck. Okay, maybe no. Coins. 10. Okay, when we'll do about like 5 more, then the video will probably end. Because, yeah, I'm definitely doing a part 2. And it's going to be awesome. Because I made it. Okay, no need to be cocky. Well, I'll probably make a part 2. Hopefully with Evan and Joe. So I'll save up my gems for that. I'll just save them, but maybe I'll use some on a really good weapon. Maybe, oh, I just missed the spark shark. I just really want to get the spark shark so bad. It's like my dream. I just want to own it. Own it. Let me own it. But if I get the spark shark, I will like scream so loud. I'll just be there like, ah, with no end. Okay, coin. Not coins, gems. Right, okay guys, so last 3, then the video will end. I know I said like last 5, like after 12 more turns, but yeah, so I really like Pixel Gun 3D. Apparently people hate my drive ahead videos, so I'll probably maybe put an end to that, but I really like making them. I will play it, maybe, but yeah. So last one, then I will do the outro. Hopefully it'll be something worth like coins. Okay, so if you guys have enjoyed this video, I found it so awesome. I love Pixel Gun. If you want me to continue with this series, then I will be sure to do like you said, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. And I just want to tell you something quickly. Recently I was watching my videos at my friends, and I just hate looking back at my videos, what I've done. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. So, yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.